First, use a friend to take the bike out of the box, resting it on the floor. Next, use the provided wrench to remove the fork mount from shipping. To install the wheel, line up the rotor with the brake caliper. Then, put the skewer through the wheel and tighten until secure. Use a hex wrench to remove the stem plate. Then, center the handlebars in the stem for installation. Refasten all of the bolts on the stem plate until they are secure. Install the seat by releasing the clamp and sliding the post into the frame. Close the clamp at the desired seat height. To install the pedals, thread them into the cranks. Keep in mind, pedals are threaded in reverse. Remove the bolt on the forks and attach the light. Retighten the bolt for installation. Plug the light in by matching the arrows on the cords.